Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. Just in direct from the one local lady owner from New, this absolutely gorgeous and very rare colour Audi A1 1.6 TDI Sport, finished in Nano grey metallic. Beautiful colour. Registered in June 2017 on a 17 plate with full Audi service history. The car is absolutely gorgeous all the way around. Great performance, 115 brake horsepower, and Audi claim 70 plus miles per gallon combined. That's incredible, just 70 plus miles per gallon. Nice size boot on it, all nice and clean. No damage, not been abused in any way. Split folding rear seats. You can also adjust the height actually of the boot. So that's the lowest there. You can higher it up onto that there. All the toolkit there complete. No spare wheel on this, of course. No dents, no scratches, no scuffs, no marks. Just beautiful all the way around. All the wheels totally unmarked. No damage to those anywhere. All the bodywork, as I mentioned, very, very nice all round. So it is a metallic colour, although it may not look metallic. Great when the sunshine catches it. You've got the black sports trim, which is part leather. That's leather part down there. Again, look at the condition of that. Totally unmarked. Absolutely beautiful. All in the back again. Nice and clean. Split folding rear seats. Plenty of leg room in there. All the trims. Great condition. All the stereo, straightforward control off there, so you've got stereo CD, media, SD input as well, Bluetooth phone, all control off the menu on there. Nice and straightforward. You've also got drive select. Dynamic efficiency, auto. Just get the car handling exactly how you'd like it. That's all controlled from that little button down there. All nice, straightforward. Leather sports steering wheel. Onboard computer. Just look at the mileage of just 29,360. That's what it's done, 29,360. Absolutely outstanding all the way around. Great value for money, great miles per gallon, and a live little engine. Great shape all the way around. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. Part exchange always welcome. Great finance available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your monthly payments, your deposits, HP or PCP deal, whichever suits you best. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. Click and reserve, click and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery if you so wished. Ask us for further details. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Specialist Cars based in Stoke on Trent, a multi-award winning dealer. Any further information, please just give us a call on 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.